So hello everyone, welcome to Possible Tips. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to change your YouTube name or your YouTube channel name. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to open your YouTube app. Okay, so after opening your YouTube app, just go to this top right corner where your YouTube icon is there, YouTube profile icon is there. Just click on it, and now just go to your channel. Okay, and now just click on this gear icon, which is settings of your channel. Just click on it, and now here in channel settings you can see this is your current name, and this is the pencil icon, which is edit option. Just click on it, and now just read this clearly. You can change 3 times in every 90 days. So choose your name properly and do some research and spend some time, and then only change your name, because YouTube allows only 3 times in 90 days to change your name. Okay, so for now I will just type possible tips. Okay, and I will just click on OK. So as soon as I just click on OK, my channel name will be changed to Possible Tips, as you can see. So this is how you change your YouTube name or YouTube channel name, and YouTube allows only 3 times in 90 days. So keep that in mind and choose your name properly. And I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and let me know in the comments. And if you're new to this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon and make it all for more YouTube tutorials and more different kind of social media tutorials. And I would really appreciate your support. Peace.